Hi guys, welcome back to another video. Come on in, have a seat, relax, and enjoy. Today we're going to be talking about the Dasher Direct card, and we're going to be talking about its security. So we're going to be talking about how to lock it if it gets lost, how to change the pin if it gets lost, or if you forgot the pin, and we're going to be talking about how to replace it if you lose it. So if that information sounds useful, definitely keep watching. But without further ado, let's dive right in. I'll have a screen recording right there to show you guys what's going on. But first, you're going to need the Dasher Direct app. And if you already have the card, I'm assuming you have the app. But if you do not, go ahead to the App Store, download it, make an account, and you are in. Or actually, you don't even have to make an account. You just have to log in via your Dasher account. So let's dive right in. What you want to first do is go to the bottom right corner and press the More button. When you press the More button, it'll bring you up to this screen which will say Account and Card. And what you want to do is go ahead and hit the third option, which reads Manage Card. Now, underneath that, it says lock, replace your card, or change your PIN, which is all of the three things we're going to be addressing today. So hit that manage card. The first option you get is lock your card. So if you lose your card, you could go ahead and lock it. What you need to do is put in your password, because not everyone should be able to lock your card even if they have your phone. So put in your Dasher password into that, and it'll allow you to lock your card so no one can use it if you happen to lose it. Replace your card is the next option. So it says underneath, deactivate your lost, stolen, or damaged card and order a new one. So essentially, yeah, you just report your card as lost, you order a new one, and it should take anywhere from 2 to 3 weeks for it to arrive to your house. If it does not, go ahead, reach out to customer service, be like, what is going on? I lost my card, I ordered another one, why has it not arrived, or why is it not arriving? Either one. And then the last option you have is change the PIN for your card. Once again, you're going to have to put in your password. I keep wanting to say passport. I don't know why. You're going to have to put in your password, and it'll allow you to change the code on your card, and then you can go ahead and input your code at ATMs, or your new code at ATMs, and get your cash. So that is the 3 tips and tricks for how to manage your card if you happen to lose it. If you found this tip or these tips informative, definitely hit that thumbs up button. If you like this video in general, hit that subscribe button as well as the post notification bell. But other than that, I will let you guys go. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope you have an amazing day.